CRF50 is the first bike in Honda's massive off-road range. The most obvious thing that you start with on this bike is the size. Short wheelbase and low seat height, nice and narrow, really easy to get around or chuck in the back of the station wagon. I've had plenty of kids over the years who have never even touched a motorcycle before, and they hop on one of these and within an hour they're thrashing it around like nobody's business. I think a part of that is the low center of gravity of this motorcycle that just makes it really easy to ride. So when your little one gets to that age where they start to want to learn to ride, this is the perfect machine to get them going. Being a 50cc 4-stroke, you've got that nice quiet bike with a good muffler, so you can get out and ride it without annoying the neighbours. Now it does have a throttle restrictor as well if you want to use that. And then as they build in skills, you can get it back to full throttle and really get to enjoy the motorcycle to its full potential. Equally as important as the go are the brakes. And here you've got low maintenance drums on the front and rear, and a side stand for when you go to park it. This bike comes with a beautiful automatic clutch, but you also get the gears to learn on. And being a Honda, you've got that bulletproof reliability. You've got that really important friendly suspension on the front and the rear, built of high quality components. You've got hard plastics and a steel frame and tyres that are going to last the distance, which means less time spent on maintenance and more time that you can spend out enjoying a beautiful country riding with the family. Another bonus of this bike, it's super economical. 1 tank of gas equals hours of fun. And when you buy a genuine Honda, you've got that resale value. So when it comes time to upgrade to the next machine, you're gonna get that return on investment. So if you're heading to the trail or your young one needs something for the farm, head to your local Honda dealer and check out the CRF50.